We'll guide you through how to fix a USB mouse not working in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really annoying as you then can't go and use your computer. So perhaps it suddenly stopped working, it doesn't matter, we've got some different things you can try. So first of all, you want to go and find where it's plugged in, and you simply want to go and unplug it and then replug it, ideally into a different USB port. Go and see if it starts working. If it still doesn't, you want to try restarting your computer. Go and find the power button on your computer, and what you can do is press and hold it down until your computer screen goes black. Release it, wait a few seconds, and then push it back in, and it should go and start again. When it comes back on, see if it's now working. If it still isn't working, press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard. You'll get this pop-up and type in devmgmt.msc and press enter. Press the tab key once and then use the downwards arrow key until you get to mouse and other pointing devices and press the right arrow key. Then you want to use the arrow key and press enter on HID compliant mouse. Press enter. Then you want to go and press tab until general selected and use the right arrow key to go and select driver. Press tab and go down with tab until you get to uninstall device. Press enter and make sure uninstall selected and press enter. If there are multiple HID compliant mouse, go and uninstall them, and then you want to go and restart your computer again by pressing and holding the power button. Then what you can do is go and turn it back on, and hopefully the problem's now solved.